we have from Gilotos Primary School. Teacher in charge, we have Mrs. Leozen and Gregorio. Trainer, Mr. Beneto P. Jeff Jr.
For Dumaro Elementary School, we have Dr. Sonora F. Ledesma, Principal 3, and their dance coordinator, Ma'am Lilivel Hinola.
For Our Lady of the Snows Institute, we have Reverend Father Clemel Jan Albania. Cultural Coordinator, Mr. J.V.S. Villalba.
For Aglalan Integrated School, we have Mr. Rego Trio. A round of applause, please. Palakpakan mo natin ang ato mga cultural coordinators na nag-effort din sa pag-practice ng ato mga kabataan.
Si Ma'am.
Gilotos Primary School, once again, we have Mrs. Leozen Gregorio and Mr. Benito P. Jeff Jr.
And now let's have Dumaro Elementary School. For their school head, we request Dr. Sonora F. Ledesma, and for their dance coordinator, Ma'am Liobel Mignola. Again, may you call it Ma'am Liobel Mignola? Okay, so now let's proceed to the Our Lady of the Snows Institute. School head, Reverend Father Clemel John Albania, and their cultural coordinator, Mr. J.D. Villalba.
Next, we have from Estefania Montemayor National High School, Principal Dr. Rolando Viricardo Jr. and the Cultural Coordinator, Mr. Jonathan C. Vicencio.
Awarding of certificate.
For Presentacion Diaz Gregorio National High School, we have their school head, Mr. Ryan Luqueriza, Head Teacher 1, and their cultural coordinator, Mrs. Anime V. Yucocco.
Five minutes lang.
And for Ramon A. Benjamin Senior National High School, we have Mrs. Lourdes Paligumba, Principal 1, Cultural Coordinator, Maria Cecilia G. Ibabaw.
Basta matlo, doon ginapangita ang mama ni Nicole.
Alam mo na.
Round of applause, please.
Dahil ginapangita ang mama ni Nicole.
O na ba partner ka matamat na ang blessing halik sa langit, para hindi man magtulo, no?
Yes, partner.
Ready na ka mo? Yes!
Ready na sila partner para masaksihan ang panaag sa akong lapanyo. Next we have from Presentacion Jeff Gregorio National High School. Head Teacher 1, we have Mr. Ryan Luqueriza, Cultural Coordinator, Anime Yucocco. Next we have from Buksoan National High School, Mr. Johnny P. Pugod, Principal 3, and the Cultural Coordinator, we have Ma'am Josephine G. Vilajos.
So, saan nagkabuko rin? Pag-check ko lang.
And for the Capstone Bumaraw, their college director, Dr. Marjean Pinson, and their cultural coordinator, Mr. Manuel A. Pisa.